Hey there, Caesar Math students. Welcome to Math Task 38A Linear Equations. Today we're going to be talking about no solution, infinite solutions, and one solution. So far we've been working with nothing but one solution, where we solve an equation, maybe we move variables from one side to the other, and we get down to where x equals a number. That's one solution. X equals 0 is also a solution. When we get to no solution, this is when our variables will actually cancel out. So for instance, here we got 9x and 9x, they cancel out, and then we got 7 equals 0. See how this is a false statement? This is false. When you get to a false statement, you get to no solution. And then we have another scenario where we do our distributive property, we go ahead and we move the variables, and then the variables cancel out, and we get to a true statement. 18 is equal to 18. This is a true statement, but our variables have canceled out. We have infinitely many solutions, otherwise known as all real numbers are solutions. So let's go ahead and try one of these. So we'll start off with number 1. We're going to distribute. We're going to get 64x plus 24. On the left-hand side, we get 24 minus 6x. Now we know that we need to go ahead and change that to plus negative, and then we also have variables on different sides. When we have variables on different sides, we got to move the variable. So we're going to move it by saying, all right, plus 6x to both sides, moving everything to the left. This gives us 70x plus 24 equals 24. We got our friend two-step equation now. We're going to add negative 24 to both sides because I see plus 24. And you'll notice that my constants cancel out. I get 0 on this side and 0 on this side. So I have 70x is equal to 0. That's not a no solution because I can actually solve this by dividing by 70. Sorry, you ran out of space here. X is equal to 0 in this case. 0 is a one solution type of problem. All right, let's try another one. Negative 5 times negative 5x, negative 5 times 7. So you got 25x, because a negative times a negative is a positive, plus negative 35 is equal to x minus 11, or plus negative 11. So again, we're going to move our variables. If I have x on this side, I want to add negative x to both sides, or negative 1x to both sides, because remember, x by itself is 1x. So when I add negative 1x to both sides, I get 24x plus negative 35 equals negative 11. Got my two-step equation, write small here, so we don't run out of space. Add 35 to both sides. I get 24x, these cancel off, equals 24. Again, this is not, oh, I can't solve this because I can divide both sides by 24. And I get x is equal to 1, right? So those are examples of one solution. Here's an example where we're not going to have one solution. So first of all, go through plus negative 5x and now distribute. So we got negative 15 plus negative 5x equals negative 5x plus negative 10. Right? So we're at our point where we need to move our variables, right? So I'm going to add 5x to both sides. And watch what happens. 5x cancels off and 5x cancels off. So I have negative 15 is equal to negative 10. This is a false statement. Our variables canceled off. I got something that was false. Negative 15 does not equal negative 10. So therefore, this is a no solution problem. All right, let's do another one. Negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times k. This is negative 4 plus negative 4k. Sorry, let me not write that in red, is equal to negative 4. We got a minus sign. Let's make that plus negative so we don't get confused. Plus negative 4k. Again, I got to move my variables. So I'm going to add 4k to both sides. And again, my variables cancel off, right? Negative 4k plus 4k. See you later. But this time, I have negative 4 is equal to negative 4. That is a true statement. Negative 4 does equal negative 4. So therefore, I have all real numbers or infinite solutions, right? You've got the rest in partners.